Are you experiencing stunted hair growth, hair breakage, excessive shedding of hair, or split ends? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare DIY herbal tea that will help change your hair game. All the ingredients that I use can be found in your kitchen and it's easy to prepare. Our first ingredient is clove. Clove is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols. This restores the hair pigment levels and protect the hair strands from further damage. Clove improves blood circulation and controls hair loss. Clove eliminates dandruff and adds strength to your hair. Our second ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and promotes hair growth. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that stimulates hair growth and reduce hair fall. Rosemary is used to prevent premature graying of hair and dandruff. So for this recipe, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Moving on to our third ingredient is onions. Onions promote hair growth. This is because it is rich in sulfur that prevents breakage and thinning. Onions is loaded with antioxidants that may help prevent premature graying of hair. Onions contains antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help to prevent scalp infections and dandruff. Onions helps to minimize hair thinning and hair breakage. Guys, onions has thick smell, so you can add some essential oil like lavender oil to mask the smell. Go ahead and cut the onions into small pieces or blend the onions. At this point, I have to cut the onions with my hands because that's the only option that I have. You can still go ahead and pound it with mortar and pestle if you don't have a blender. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you find this video helpful. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I love you all. After adding the onions, add hot water, then stir to mix the whole ingredients together. Cover and allow to sit up to 1 hour so that all the nutrients will get into the water. After 1 hour, collect the tea with a sieve and plate or cheesecloth to trap all the dirt. Go ahead and pour into your spray bottle and it's ready for use. You can store this in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, and after 3 days, you can discard and prepare another one. This herbal tea is very potent. If you have hair issues like stunted hair growth, hair thinning, split ends, or hair breakage, you need to try this out and let me know if it worked for you in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.